Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some dirt particles in Unity. So this is just going to be like a spray of dirt that hits out maybe when like an object hits the floor. So I'm going to show you how to make the particle system, how to make trails that go off the dirt just to make it look nice, and I'm going to show you how to make it stop at like a floor so that it doesn't just fall through the floor. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is right click over here. I want to do Effects, Particle System, and you can see this just gives you a default particle system. So the first thing you're going to do is over here, there's a lot of settings, but we're only going to focus on a few of them for now. So the first one is right here, the gravity modifier. We'll set this to 1, and now you can see the particles have gravity. Next, in our renderer over here, if you just click on the tab, it opens and closes it. We want to change our material. So let's just right click down here, create material, and let's just call this dirt. Now we have to go up here where it says shader. We're going to select particles and just go standard unlit. And we can set the color to, let's go for maybe like a, there we go. So now we have our dirt particle. You can see we can just apply it, and now our particle system shoots out brown squares. So we just want to turn down our size a bit because I think they're a bit big. I think that looks good. Now, there's a ton of settings you can tweak around with. We don't need to change the duration because they'll instantly stop as soon as they hit floor. So let's go for, if we want this to be like something hits and then it plays like a dirt splash, what we want to do is we want to set our duration to, say, 0.2. And we want to turn off looping. So now you can see if we press play, it doesn't shoot out a lot because it doesn't have much time. So to fix this, you want to go to emission right here and rate over time. Just turn this up a lot, and now it shoots some particles. But we want to go shape, and you can see this is the shape that it's going in. So I'd like to go, not the angle, it's the radius. Set this as low as it goes, so it's like a point at the end. And now if you see, it all comes from one spot. And I actually think this might be like too long. So how about 0.1? Yeah, that looks perfect. Now for our trail, you just want to see trails right here. Click that. And now you see when we play, that's not quite right. So what we want to do is our color over lifetime is, we'll just set that to maybe like a gray. Then our color over trail, in this arrow right here, we're going to click that and we're going to go gradient. So now if you click the color, it brings up this menu. So these top ones are for the alpha. I have just made a lot of different segments. Just drag those to the side if you do those by accident. So this one here, we wanted to have 255, and this one here to have 0. So now you can see it fades away at the end. And we also want to go width over trail. Click the arrow, and we want to go curve. Now you can see down here, it opens up a little thing here. So just set that so this is at the bottom, and might even move this down a bit. And just make it so that it's a straight curve going down. And now if we play, you can see it's starting to look a lot better, but it lasts way too long. So to fix that, the lifetime of the trail, just turn that down to like maybe 0.2. Now play that. I think that's still too long. let's go 0.1. Again, this is all up to you. You can change this however you want. That is perfect. Now for collision. So you see the collision tab here. Just take that and open it up. Now there's two options for the type. We have planes and world. World basically means it will collide with anything. But planes basically means you can select like certain things for it to collide with. So I'm going to be using that one so that if this is on an object, it won't just collide with the object and everything disappears instantly. I'm going to right click up here, create 3D object, plane. Let's just move this down. And let's just make it red for now. Just so it's not as blinding. Perfect. So now you can see with our particle system in the collision tab, we press the plus button on this planes array and drag in our new plane. As you can see now that they should first the lifetime loss, set this to 1. So this means when they hit the floor, they'll use 100% of like the time they have left, so they'll just disappear instantly. So now they stop. So that's going to be it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it's going to be it from me. Goodbye.